Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a student, get ready to upgrade your study game. We're getting the free Google Gemini AI Pro subscription today. First, open your browser. We need to find the official offer page. Type and search for Gemini AI for university students. Click on the official Google link that advertises the free Google AI Pro for a year offer. This page confirms the Google Gemini Free Pro plan for students, valid for 1 year. Important, this is a limited time offer. The deadline to sign up is December 9th, 2025. Mark that date. You can see the regular price, but for you, it's ₹0 for 12 months, plus you get 2 terabytes of storage. Click Verify Eligibility to begin the student status check via SheerID. Select your country. For this guide, we select Sri Lanka. And then enter your educational establishment name, like the University of Kelaniya. Fill in your name, date of birth, and your personal Gmail address. This is crucial as you need to use a personal Google account for the subscription. Now, click Verify My Student Status. You will be prompted to verify using your institution's credentials. Click Sign into my academic institution. Log in with your university username and password. On the consent screen, read the terms, choose your consent duration, and click Accept. After a moment, you will see, You've been verified. You are now eligible. Click Get Google AI Pro to move to the subscription page. Click Get Student Offer. Agree to the Google One Terms of Service and click Agree. The subscription screen confirms your 12-month free trial. Pay attention. You must add a valid card for the zero-cost sign-up, but to avoid the automatic monthly charge, you must cancel before the paid subscription starts on December 7th, 2026. Enter your details and click Subscribe. You can see all your new powerful benefits here, including Gemini 3 Pro and VO video generation. Click Go to Gemini and start using the tools. If this tutorial helped you get your free Pro plan, hit that red subscribe button right now. It helps me make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.